Hey, this is Ryan with Vapor Honing Technologies. What we have here is a 1938 Farmall F-20 carburetor. And what you just witnessed was 81 years of dirt, grease, and grime washed away from this carburetor with a vapor honing machine. It handled it with ease, and as you can see, this thing looks brand new. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Also check out our Facebook and Instagram as well. If you have any questions about vapor honing, call the sales team. Peace.